DropKick is bringing Nitro cold brew coffee on draft to anyone, anywhere. Any beverage that comes straight off the draft is the most enjoyable, and cold brew is no exception. Our Nitro cold brew coffee is sourced from a Guatemalan bean and then roasted and brewed right here locally in San Diego, California. It is certified organic, sugar-free, dairy-free, and infused with nitrogen, so you'll get a nice creamy finish with every cup you pour. With our Drop on Draft program, you'll receive your own Javarator delivered and installed by our experienced team of service technicians. Once it's installed, you're ready to pour, and there is zero upkeep. When your keg is empty, and it will be often, our simple reordering process makes getting a new keg to you available through our website or over the phone. And best of all, we will deliver it to you for free. But don't worry, your Javarator can hold up to 2 5-gallon kegs at a time. So not only will reordering be timely, it will make sure you never go a day without cold brew on draft. We can even customize your Javarator with your company logo or any other fun designs you want to add to it. Studies have shown the average coffee drinker spends between $6 to $7 each trip to the local coffee shop. With Drop on Draft, our affordable pricing brings each cup of cold brew down to as little as $1.25. Not only are you saving money, but you're saving valuable time and daily trips to the coffee shop. And one keg of our cold brew will pour 80 8-ounce cups. So whether it's for your employees, your clients, your customers, or even for yourself, DropKick on Draft is loved by everyone. Contact our friendly customer service team today to get started. You can email us at hello@dropkickbrew.com or call us at 619-517-1565.